Okay, I'll do my best.
Okay.
Lord, you search me. You know my way. Your hand upholds me. I know you love me. At the cross I bow my knee, where your blood was shed for me. There's no greater love than this. You have overcome the grave. Your glory fills the highest place. What could separate me now? Is that okay?
Ooh, what? Kaitlyn, you're like a great singer. What in the world? What? Who? Okay, now I'm mad at the people. Now I'm mad. I don't want to be mad, but I'm kind of mad. What? Okay. That was a beautiful voice. And the great alto.
Okay.
And you was in tune.
Well, that's good. That's good to know.
Okay, so this is what I seen visually. Even though I knew that you was nervous, so it's not about the nervous part.
Mm-hmm.
When we go over vocal problems, you had one.
Okay.
And you gonna figure it out, because I'm gonna see if you can figure it out, okay? Because I'm not gonna try to tell you.
Okay.
But it's interesting. I need to know how low you can go. And your voice is rich. You have a very rich tone. Who you remind me of? You remind me of somebody. Okay, as I listen to you, I'll figure it out.
Okay.
Okay. And let me say this. Can I make this clear? You should not be a background singer.
Okay.
Nope. Sorry. Nope. Look, I need you to look. Can you see this?
Yes.
What does it look like?
Really?
Yes. That's not, you can't make that stuff up. Okay. I'm very, very serious. You should not be a background singer because your voice is anointed. Okay. I can't fake stuff like that. I can't. That's one thing about my job. I never know what I'm going to hear. Okay. So, no, you're going to have to push through. You're going to have to.